This week's tech tip comes from my bike, Elvis the Dyna, something cool we did on this bike, and you can do easily too. I can almost do this by myself, so you surely can do it. And it's really cheap. This is the box. This is a box of LED lights. So basically, this is one of those LED light strips. Has the 3M tape on the back, so you can just stick it to your bike, no drilling or anything like that. And what's cool about these LEDs are two things. One is has these handy dandy clips, so you don't have to splice and cut cables. You just plug them in together. This one came with several dozen lights, so you could cover the whole bike with it. We didn't use all of them for the Dyna because there were so many of them. And really just hardwire this into your battery, as I have. And I have it set up so all I do is push a little button under my seat and the lights come on. Just push this button and the lights come on. Something that I think is really cool and also a really good safety thing. So here's what we did with this set. You can't do this with just any set of LED lights. This one's set up specifically to do what I'm about to show you. First off, I've got it set up is blue. There's a remote control. You can change the lights and we'll show you that in just a minute. But if you want to run these on the highway, most states having blue lights or red lights is illegal. So you'll want to switch this to white or amber, which I'll show you in a minute. But here's what we set this bike up to do that's different. Flip the left turn signal and the entire bike flashes yellow. The entire bike becomes a turn signal. Do it on the right hand side and the entire right hand side of the bike lights up. Here's what I really like. When I hit the brake, the entire bike turns red. And at night, this is really effective. So the other thing you can do is just switch the colors. You can tune it to music, to play with music. So if you're sitting at bike night or a bike show and you want to show all the lights, they will change to the music as well. So this set of lights was only about $70. If you went to a bike show and had them set this up for you, it would be several $100s, maybe $300 more. And I'm not sure if they set up the features where you can turn your entire bike into a brake light and a turn signal. That's this week's tech tip. And again, we will put a link to where you can buy this LED set on our social media.